We are going to take a quick look at a pre-owned, unused Powermatic TS29 tilting and sliding shaper. Still has the original protectant on top. .51.5 inch wide table. The slider is going to be 51.5 by 11.25. You simply unlock it right here. Again, all the protectant is still on the slider. It slides nicely, or as nice as this style slider can slide, still tight, of course. And your lock is right here. Turn just one more revolution. That's going to lock your table. Your elevation for that spindle is on the right-hand side of the machine. The center is to unlock it. You also have a scale for your tilt here. Clockwise is going to be down. Counterclockwise is going to raise that spindle. This machine does have forward and reverse. We're going to turn it to forward, hit start. It does have spindle speeds of 3,000, 4,000, 6,000, 8,000, and 10,000 RPM. 7.5 horsepower motor. This is how you select your different speeds and flip your belt. You have another guide on your inner door. Gonna throw the spindle into, that was forward, into reverse, hit start. Gonna walk around back, open up the rear door. Back here is your spindle lock. You're gonna turn this. That spindle is locked. Pull out and turn quarter turn. It is unlocked. There's a guide for it in the rear door. Again, 7.5 horsepower motor. This is a 230 460 volt 3-phase machine. It has 5 degrees of negative travel, and if you go clockwise, 45 degrees of positive travel. You do have numeric readouts on both sides of your fence. This is your fence rail. Your hold down with your front shield. One of your 2 dust ports. These are the hold downs for both your fences. This is your spindle drawbar. Front door key. Let's see. Your fence plates, they are aluminum. Let's see. We've got some of your hardware. This looks like the handle for your miter gauge. Some other knobs. And again, some hardware and handle for your fences. And the front hold downs. Again, some more handles. Let's see. Toolbox is really, really stuffed. I believe there's nothing else in the box. Pull this forward, and we have your manual. 1.25" spindle. 1 inch spindle. I wish they wouldn't give you 1 inch, but they do. 3/4 inch. This is your handle for your fence. Up top. Flip stop is for your fence rail. Spindle collets for the drawbar. You do have a grease gun, wrenches, spindle wrenches, your spanner wrench for that spindle, some Allen keys, so basically tools to maintain the machine. In your other box, you do have your other dust chutes. You do have your top fence guard, and these were the handles for that. In here you do have your miter gauge, and then it looks like this would be that base plate for that miter gauge. I'm not going to open it up, but this would be the base plate. If you have any questions or comments, you can reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com or give us a call at 630-229-6705. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.